Walgreens shoppers. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 7th to the 13th. 50-cent Tampax, a deal we haven't seen in years. So, I mean, that's going to be absolutely fantastic. And a lot of cheap, like Mr. Clean, Dawn, and the Garnier Fructis for $1.75. It's going to be a fabulous week over at Walgreens. So these boosters showed up, I believe, on Monday or Tuesday. We have a 5 back when you buy 2 beauty products. It's starting on the 7th, and then a 7 back when you spend $35, and then my other card had a 5 back when you spend $20, and it's valid for the next week from the 7th to the 14th. So load those. Unfortunately, we're not going to be looking at deals with these, but we're going to be looking at deals with other, just rolling your Walgreens cash and so on and so forth. Now, over on IBOTTA, my favorite app, this rebate reset. So I know a lot of us were getting the cheap paper towel. If I could find another 6-pack, I'm definitely doing it again because, yes, I'll just roll some Walgreens cash. And there's also a really high valuable one for this Downy. I think it's like $3.50 back or $4 back. I unfortunately didn't get it. IBOTTA is one of these apps. Sometimes you get high value rebates and sometimes you don't, but you might want to check for that as well. I think that these two are going to go very quickly because it's like high value P&G products. And then another one that I found as well for Walmart is a BOGO free for the Dunkin' cold coffee. So like that iced coffee stuff that they sell. I looked it up in the app. My store doesn't carry it. But if you really like the Dunkin' iced coffee, you might want to stock up on this because it's BOGO free with IBOTTA. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 7th. So we are just kind of predicting stuff, looking at stuff, just previewing the ad, but all of the full details will be published on the 7th. Now with Christmas, a lot of us are waiting for 70 or 80%. My source said Monday the 8th, but I think maybe the 9th as well. I've also read in the comments down below for the Christmas merchandise. So we'll have to wait and see how this one plays out. So the first deal that we're going to look at is one of the deals of the week, 2 for $8 on the Garnier whole blends. They're back to the $3 reward when you spend 10 or more. So grabbing 2 of the whole blends and 2 of the Fructis, that is $16 for 4 of those shampoos. Subtracting 3 off of 2 digital coupons, you're going to pay $10. Get back 1 $3 register reward, making it $7 for the 4 or $1.75 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So in theory, you can actually roll that $10 in Walgreens cash, and that would be a really good deal. So on Sunday morning, this is one I'm going to be testing. The smaller boxes of the Tampax is 2 for $11, $2 reward when you buy 2, plus we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Keep following this deal. Out of the Catalina machine last week, I got this. Purchase 2 or more participating sanitary, weight management or vitamin products. Get like a $5 store reward, and this is from the 31st to February the 24th. And Tampax is actually pictured in that. So if this is producing a $5 store reward, we're in business. So grabbing 2 of these for $11, subtracting that 3 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $8, get back a $2 register reward as per the ad. It would make it $6 for the 2 or $3 per box. If we get that $5 store register reward, it's going to make it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per box. This must be tested on Sunday, but I think this is going to be a double dip. And again, we're doing this with no booster, so we could actually use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay it down to earn all those goodies. So we're going to have to wait and see, but I think predicting what I know, I think this is going to be a double dip. Now the Huggies, if you might have some register rewards to throw into this, this is a spend $35, get back a $10 register reward. So 3 of those bags, and the third one will be half the cost of it at 2 for $22. So that's $31.50. Get back a $10 register reward. It's $21.50 for 3 bags or $7.16 each. Digital coupons, rebate apps. What are we going to get on Sunday for this? Because this is really high out of pocket, but I know there's a lot of parents out there who need diapers. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash because it's involving a register reward, but a deal hopefully for some cheaper diapers. And we're looking at some cheaper toothpaste now. The Colgate Optic White for $4, $3 reward when you buy 2, along with a 4 off 2 digital. So 2 of the Colgates would be 8. Subtracting that 4 off 2 digital, you're going to pay 4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per tube. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another toothpaste deal that we have is with the Crest or Oral-B. Got to make sure that we're getting $2 coupons for each. So grabbing one of each, that would be $6 on the nose, and we're going to grab the cheapest stuff at $3. Subtracting the two $2 coupons, we'll pay 2 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, basically making this completely for free. If only one is attaching, it would be like $1 for the 2, which is still a good deal. And we'll have to double, triple check this one on Sunday. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. Now, this is everybody's favorite deal with the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. Purchase 2, get back $1 register reward. So grabbing 2 of these dish soaps, it's $2.48. Get back your $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at are these Mr. Clean. It's an all-purpose cleaner. There's a $3 register reward when you buy 3. So grabbing 3 of them at $2.69 a pop, that's $8.07. Get back your $3 register reward. It's $5.07 for the 3 or $1.69 per container of Mr. Clean. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So now we're looking at the gold bond. We're going to grab a smaller one for $7 and some change and a larger one for $12.49. Spend 20, get back 10. This is a spend offer, so you got to pay for the balance with your debit card. So grabbing, again, a $7-ish one and a $12.49 one, it's $20.28. We currently have one digital coupon to use, so with your debit card, you'll pay $18.28. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as this is a spend offer with Walgreens cash. If you might have something like a spend 20, get back 5, it would make this deal so much better throwing that booster in with the deal. Now, the Altoids are 2 for $4, so 99-cent savings on each of the tins found at checkout lanes, where they have all the candy. Fetch Rewards has 600 points back for each, so you're actually going to get back 1,200 points, so like $1.20. Anyway, we could save $1 here or there if you like to keep these in your purse. So grabbing 2 of them for $4, photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for 1,200 points. It makes it $2.80 for the 2 or $1.40 per tin. And it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So now let's take a quick look at some honorable mention, guys. The first is a lot of the food. 2 for $8 for Belvita, BOGO free on the Pop-Tarts, or the Kellogg cereal, 2 for $6 for the ham. Just a lot of really good pantry staples. Use 20 or $50 in Walgreens cash and go grocery shopping. And the Friends, the Valentine's Day candy for $2.99. This is the sweet deal of the week. Every week leading to Valentine's Day cheap candy. We have 2 for $5 for the Cheerios. I think this is a General Mills cereal. Yes, it is. And there's an IBOTTA rebate, I think, for $1 back when you buy 2. And again, BOGO free with the Kellogg cereal. This is definitely a stock up item if you have a lot of young kids. The Purex is on a buy one, get 2 for free. So I think this is probably your laundry deal of the week. If you're a newer couponer, have a lot of register rewards to burn, this is maybe something to pad the old stockpile with. And the final honorable mention that I have for you guys is a buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home trash bags. I've been using these for a couple months, and to clean up after your pets, it's a great bag. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.